Today we're going to learn how to create custom test helpers in Ember-CLI. So testing is great, but it can get repetitive. Here we have two tests, and the first six lines in each of them are the exact same. You want to put them in a function, but let's say they're in different test files. That's where custom helpers come in. They're just like the helpers that are built in, like click or visit, but you can build them yourself. Here we've built one called sign in, and it dries up a lot of the code for us. So to create your helper, you use your Ember-CLI generator test helper and give it the dasherized name that you want. And it will create something like this. So the first argument is the name, and then the second argument is a function. This function we're going to fill in with the code that we had repeated before. So this is just pasted in. And if we didn't have the login, then we could take away the and then as well. That's what the async in register async helper does for you. If we want to include extra arguments, then we put them after the app argument. So here we're giving the sign-in function 2 arguments, and those are the second and third arguments that are in this function we define. So the first argument is always app. There are some extra steps you have to do if you're in Ember-CLI. First, in your startapp.js, you have to import your helper function. And then in JS-hint-rc, in your test folder, you have to include the function name in your pre-def list. Otherwise, JS-hint will throw an error. So, to write a custom helper in Ember-CLI, first you have to recognize that there's repetition, or that something's repeating, or that something's happening over and over and over again. Or alternatively, if you just want to name something and clear up your test that way. Step 2, you type ember.js test helper and then the helper name. Step 3, you write your helper. And then step 4, you put in the boilerplate. Good luck and happy testing.